learn about the working of digestive system. It is the last thing which we are going to study about the digestive system. Till now we have completed all the things which are coming in digestive system. We have talked about the alimentary canal, we have talked about the digestive glands, and we have talked about the functioning of all of them separately. But now today we are going to tie all these things in a connection. We are going to prepare one summary for this particular thing, and we are going to tell the working of the digestive system today. So for that purpose, we are just starting here. The first thing which is happening, and I can say it will be the first point also. I can say this will be the first point also. So let me divide the blackboard into the two parts for that purpose. And the first step which I am telling you, that is food taken into the mouth. We all are eating the food only, then only digestive system is going to start and digestive system is going to work. So for that purpose, we are taking food, we are entering the food into the mouth, and food chewed and mixed with saliva inside the mouth, from where the whole system is going to be started. Food taken into mouth and food chewed and mixed with saliva, and food is called bolus. Now we are calling this food bolus. The starch is converted into maltose. So this thing we have studied. So let me tell you about the first point. In the first point, our digestive system is going to start with the help of mouth. So in the mouth, we are just taking in food, we are just chewing the food with the help of our teeth, mixing it with the saliva, and after mixing, that food is called now bolus, and starch is converted into maltose. After that, food is entering into the second part of the alimentary canal. And how the changes are going to take place there? Second part. Food reaches to pharynx. Pharynx, which are connecting the mouth with esophagus. So this pharynx is the second part, which is just allowing the food to enter from mouth into the esophagus. So in this manner, the food is reaching to the esophagus. So third step is coming now. Food reaches to the esophagus and moves slowly into the stomach. Where the food is going to reach now? It is going to reach in stomach. How that is reaching? through esophagus. And how it is moving? In esophagus, sphincter motion is present. Which shows peristaltic movement. Which shows peristaltic movement. So, food reaches to stomach slowly without any harm. To the stomach. Right? Now here, when we reaches here, then it is not called food. Bolus. I have told you here what it has become. Bolus. Again, when it will reach here also, it will be called bolus. Right? Fourth point. After that, the fourth point is going to be start. And according to that, food, not food. Again, bolus. Reaches to stomach. And digested with the help of HCl present in gastric juice. Released by gastric gland in stomach. Now, after then, what is the thing? What will happen? Mucus protect wall of stomach. Wall of stomach. And inactivated pepsin get activated due to presence of acidic medium. Right? After that, now the food is called chyme. Not food. This bolus again. Again, bolus is called chyme. This digested bolus from the stomach, it is called chyme. After that, next part is there. Fifth part is there. Chyme reaches to duodenum part of small intestine. from gallbladder, that is bile juice, digest fat, and secretion from pancreas, digest carbohydrate, protein, fat, DNA and RNA present in chyme. Clear? So after that, in this manner, complex food is broken into smaller molecules. Then intestinal juices act on them and convert the smaller molecules into the smallest molecules, right? After that, energy from the food is absorbed into the jejunum part of small intestine. After that, remaining material through ileum reaches to large intestine, where more unabsorbed minerals, water and other things are reabsorbed in colon part. Then waste material get stored into the rectum of large intestine for some time, and at last and finally it is excreted out through an structure called anus. So this is the summary also and working of digestive system also. I can say summary of the whole system and I can say working of the whole system. Let me explain you this once. Food, whatever you are eating into your mouth, that is going to chewed with the help of tongue and teeth and mixed with saliva. Now this food is called bolus and starch is converted into the maltose because ptyalin or salivary amylase enzyme is acting on the starch. Bolus reaches to pharynx, which are connecting the mouth with esophagus. Bolus reaches to the esophagus and moves slowly into the stomach. In esophagus, sphincter muscles are present, which shows peristaltic movement. So food reaches to stomach slowly without any harm to the stomach. Next part, bolus reaches to stomach and digested with the help of HCl present in gastric juice, released by gastric gland in stomach. Mucus protect wall of stomach and inactivated pepsin get activated due to presence of acidic medium. Now the bolus is called chyme. The next one is there. Chyme reaches to duodenum part of a small intestine and secretion from gallbladder is bile juice, digest fat and secretion from pancreas, digest carbohydrate, protein, fat, DNA and RNA present in chyme. In this manner, complex food is broken into smaller molecules, then intestinal juices act on them and convert the smaller molecules into the smallest molecules. Energy from the food is absorbed into the jejunum part of the small intestine because villi is present. In jejunum part, actually villi are present, which you will learn later in your higher classes in 12th class. Due to the presence of villi structure, that part is going to absorb the energy from the food because their blood capillaries are present, which are going to absorb all the energy into the blood. Remaining material through ileum reaches to large intestine where more unabsorbed minerals, water and other things which are remaining are reabsorbed in colon part. Colon part in all the colon parts, in ascending, in transverse, in descending. Then waste material gets stored into the rectum. Remaining waste material goes into the rectum and is stored for some time. कुछ समय के लिए वहाँ पर वो इकट्ठा होता है. And as you are for convenience, according to your convenience, at last and finally, one aperture-like, slit-like structure is there, and that structure is called anus, through which you are going to excrete your waste material. So this is the part for today. Try to learn it, try to understand it, and after understanding it, try to do the practice of it. Thank you very much, class.